guys, it's Lottie here, and today I'm doing a succulent planting in a saucepan. Great way to upcycle your old frying pans, saucepans, kitchen equipment, just to give you a little bit of inspiration, and a great way to use succulents too. Hope you enjoy the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and comment down below for any other videos you'd like me to have a go at making. Start off with an old scrubby saucepan. I'm using a frying pan here that's old and bashed. And I'm filling the base of the saucepan with some just basic gravel. Pea gravel is perfect with a bit of grit in it. This will help with the drainage and act as a little reservoir. I won't be watering these too much because they are succulents. And now I've mixed some multi-purpose compost up with a little bit of sand and grit, tiny weeny bit of grit, but mostly sand. And again, this will help with the drainage and create the perfect soil for your succulents to survive in. And now I'm just going to place out the succulents to get an idea of space and where they're going to go in the saucepan before I start planting. So we're going to start planting now, and because of the way of the frying pan, it's on a slight angle. So to get the depth, I'm going to plant these little baby succulents in at a slight angle and just wiggle and dig out a little bit more to make sure their root systems can fit in. They don't need loads of space, they don't have massive root systems, so shallow planting is not a problem for these little babies. So when all your succulents are in nice and firm, I'm going to start putting a lovely decorative layer around them. And this is the result. I've gone for like a pearlized gravel, and this just adds to the effect and makes the succulents pop. Now, just to give these succulents a little bit more of a lift, and I thought it'd be quite fun as it is a saucepan to make it look like a stir fry, I'm adding in Tilinsandia Spanish moss, just to give it that little bit of something extra. And here's the end result. It looks so cute, it's fantastic and a great bit of fun. Something good you can do as a project with a family, and a great way to upcycle your old saucepans and your old frying pans. Hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more.